address to him at Santa Claus Lane. I had a list so big that I couldn't shy away. I had so much fun waiting for that Christmas Day. I wrote down everything I wanted, and you know I had to check it twice. And I made sure to tell him everything, how I worked hard to be so nice. Cause when I closed my eyes on Christmas Eve, I wanted everything to be just right. Dear Santa, oh dear Santa. Dear Santa, oh dear Santa. Well, I wrote him a letter cause I had so much to say. There wasn't anything left that I felt I had to explain. Cause I've been so good waiting for that Christmas Day. I wrote down everything I wanted, and you know I had to check it twice. And I made sure to tell him everything, and how I worked hard to be so nice. Cause when I closed my eyes on Christmas Eve, I wanted everything to be just right. Dear Santa, oh dear Santa. 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 I opened up my eyes on that morning, and I must say I had everything I wished for and more on that good day. And so I grabbed my pen and I wrote Santa right away. I said, I thank you for all the joy you brought to me and my family. And I thank you for leaving all that stuff underneath our Christmas tree. But most of all, I want to thank you for all the childhood memories. I made up the address to him at Santa Claus Lane. I had a list so big that I couldn't shy away. And I'd been so good waiting for that Christmas Day. I had so much fun waiting for that Christmas Day.